Don't you think the local police is also not doing that duty? You went all the way to court just to register a FIR against Kapil Sharma.
Definitely, if the police was doing its duty, we would not have to go to the court, and even after getting the court order, we had to come to this police station, because everybody knows that Mumbai police is swayed by celebrity stars. Even in Salman Khan's case, Bandra court kept quiet for 10 years. Only when we filed that intervention application, the case moved. In other cases, in Sanjay Dutt's case, if you see, he was given parole and furlough again and again. So even in this case, even when we went to Anti-Corruption Bureau asking for a FIR to be registered, they did not act on it. So that is why when the ACB and Mumbai police did not act, we had to go to the court, and the court has clearly ordered that Versova police has to act on it, and it has to file investigate the matter and file the case in the court. So now we are hoping that since it will be monitored by the court, the police will have to work and bring out the accused, and also Kapil Sharma, if he has violated the environmental law, if he has violated the IPC, he too needs to be punished, because the message has to go that howsoever high you may be, the law is above you, and if you violate the law, then you face the same consequences as a person from the slums or the road faces.